He's a young one, too. Whoa, whoa. He's attacking it? Yeah, he's attacking it.
Why?
He's hoping to get the foods out of it.
How did he do that?
He pushed. Look how smart he is. Look at him go. Go for it, little dude. Work for it.
Why can't he get it out?
That's unusual for him to be up now. I mean, that's during the day. I'm glad Daddy locked the lid.
We locked it? You're like, where's the unlock? Look at him go. He's taking out a garbage now.
He's a strong little guy. Go for it, man. Do it. Do it.
Do it.
Oh!
Take a picture.
Oh, I'm videotaping this.
Go, little dude. Come on, little raccoon.
This is hilarious.
This is so hilarious. He's speeding it up.
Oh, look at him go.
What happens if we go too close to him?
Oh, he's a wild animal. I probably don't want to monkey. Oh!
What else do you got, man? Little man?
Alright, I think we got much